In today's video, we're gonna take a look at how to make your Snapchat profile public. There are a lot of benefits of creating your own public profile on Snapchat, such as anything that you post, like stories, they will be made public and other people other than your friends will still be able to view them. And the other benefit is you'll be able to add in spotlight. If you don't know what spotlights are, they are short form contents such like TikTok or YouTube Shorts. If you tap on the triangle icon that you see on the bottom right, these are all called spotlights and only public profiles can post them. With that said, to create your public profile, tap on the Bitmoji on the top left, and from here if you scroll down, you should have an option of create public profile. If you don't see this option, tap on the options on Spotlight and Snap Map, and you'll have an option of create public profile right here. You can tap on it and tap on get started. Tap on create, and as easy as that, your public profile has now been created and you can see a section of my public profile. Tap on it and here you can manage a few settings such as add in your cover and add in stories and spotlights. So that's the exact way of making your Snapchat profile public. If you like this video, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'll be soon back with more informative videos just like this. Until then, keep watching.